Meeting global regulatory compliance requirements can be costly and involves many operational challenges. But failing to comply can be even more detrimental to your business. Non-compliance can mean significant fines and loss of reputation. LexisNexis Risk Solutions understands the challenges of your role, and our financial crime risk management platform, Bridger Insight XG, is designed to help. It concisely delivers extensive information to help you manage compliance processes with greater effectiveness, resulting in reduced cost while speeding up account opening procedures. You can check your client's profile quickly by using Bridger Insight XG to carry out an identity screening in real time against our comprehensive set of watch lists. This information includes global coverage of risk, such as sanctions, enforcements, PEP, and adverse media sources. To ensure you've got the right entity or person, simply add customized filters and your own search variables to reduce the number of false positive alerts in your system. Streamline your workflow by setting up an automated schedule for batch screening. Bridger Insight XG also detects new changes with Delta screening, archiving the reports so that you are all ready when the regulators show up for an audit. Bridger Insight XG fits right into your existing compliance process. You can import your own blacklist, set defined user access levels, and screen your database in multiple different languages, with the ability to share tasks among different risk officers. Consider the amount of time you spend on identity screening of a potential customer or processing false positives. Bridger Insight XG can help you improve your compliance efficiency, cut operational costs, and speed up account opening and customer onboarding.